Make your very own fresh and savory double-decker cheeseburgers with quick pickles. Cut the cucumber into slices. Chop the dill finely and cut the red onion into thin rings. Put the cucumber, dill, and half of the onion into a bowl. Bring vinegar, sugar, salt, and water to a boil. Pour this mixture over the cucumber and toss together. Let it cool. While that's cooling, heat the frying pan. Cut the buns in half and grill with the cut side down for 2 minutes. Grill the burgers in batches for 4 to 6 minutes. Flip once halfway through. After grilling, top each burger with onion, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, and 1 slice of cheddar cheese. Keep warm under aluminum foil. Top the bottom halves of the rolls with lettuce leaves, a burger patty, cucumber, lettuce, another burger patty, and more cucumber. Cover with the top of the roll and insert a skewer into each burger. Serve with the rest of the pickled cucumbers. Thanks for watching! Now enjoy your savory double-decker cheeseburgers with quick pickles.